Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here at Think Tutorial, and on today's episode we will be diving straight into how to edit or remove a custom URL for your YouTube channel. The first thing we want to do is up in the top right hand corner, you need to be logged into your YouTube account and then select the logo, and we will be diving straight into the settings options. Once you're on the settings options, we're going to go a little bit deeper here on our left hand side and select the advanced settings. And from our advanced settings, what you will notice is there is the custom URL field about halfway down the page. From here is where you will notice what your current custom URL is. And if you were to select this, it will only take you directly to that link. So we want to actually select the here option where it says learn more about custom URLs here. When you've made it to the next page, what you will see here is it's a bunch of information about how to get a custom channel URL, which all of you, if you're looking to change or remove yours, you already have one. So we're going to scroll straight down towards the bottom, and what you will notice is a remove custom URL and claim a new one option. Choose the drop down arrow to expand that selection. And the biggest piece of information I want you to see here from this section is you can only remove a custom URL for your channel up to 3 times per year. So make sure when you're making these edits, you do not try it more than 3 times a year, or you will have to wait until that time has passed for you to select a new custom URL. From this point, we are going to select the About Me page, and this will take you straight into your actual account. When you're on your account screen, the first thing you will notice is this is typically your main account information. If you are like us and you are managing a brand account that you will actually want to be updating the custom URL for, let's go back up to the top right hand side, select the options there, and you will find your brand account listed in your list of logged in accounts, and you will want to select that name now. When you've made it to the brand account information, as you can see here for our Think tutorial, if you scroll down into the About setting is where you will locate the YouTube custom URL. This again will be listing what you currently have selected. To be able to change or remove this, if you click the little arrow to the right, what you will notice is it takes you to a new screen that has your name, lets you know what that is, and then it gives you the option to actually remove the URL. What you will see is this does not allow you to edit anything that's currently existing. You do have to remove it and replace it with a new one. One other piece of information to make sure we note is it can take up to a day for this to take effect. So once you remove the custom URL, give it time to make sure that it flows through all systems that it has been removed, and then it will let you load a new one, and we will show you where that's at. Once you have finished removing the existing custom URL for your account, you can come back here to the advanced settings options, and under that custom URL setting, it will give you the option to select a new one. You will click the link, you will go into the screen and key in what you want that new custom URL to look like, and then you are complete. Thank you so much, guys, for making it to the end of this video. We hope we have helped you out. If you have any additional questions that we haven't covered, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. We will get to them as soon as possible. And if you did enjoy this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks so much.